Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter your promo code on Raid Shadow Legend. So, of course, all you need to do first of all is just go open your PC, of course, or your phone that you're gonna play on it. So, of course, for me, I'm playing here Raid Shadow Legend on a simulator. I have some tutorials for you in this channel if you want to play it like me in PC. If you want to recover your I don't know account, if you want to restart your progress on your account, just go check this channel out. So of course, when you do that, all you need to do is just go and download Raid Shadow Legend on your phone or whatever. Of course, through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you can actually go and open the application. Then, as we said, log in into your account if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, all you need to do just go, or if it's your first time, just go and click at start a new game. And of course, you'll need to pass the tutorial and start going. And if you want, of course, to enter your promo code. So, of course, let me just go here and open my Raid Shadow Legend application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, as you can see, when I click on it, it's like open directly because I already have it open on my simulator here. But of course, it may just take for you 10 or 15 seconds. So of course, this will actually be your home or your main screen after you finish your tutorial. And of course, if you want to enter your promo code, all you need to do, just go here at the left and click at these three lines. So of course, as you can see from here, we will have a lot of options, and we would like to click here at the promo codes option. So as you can see here, they are asking us to enter our promo code. So of course, if you want to get your reward, you'll need just to redeem your promo code to get free gifts and much more. Promo codes are usually limited to one use per person. So of course, just enter your promo code here, click as confirm, and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.